Public information officer. What does it mean? Every officer of a public authority, a public information officer is assigned who is responsible for providing information to a person and requesting for the information under the act. So if you request something, there will be officer who will be referring that question, and he will be asking the document from the required department or respective department, and he will forward the document to you. That is this public information officer. In this far flung area, certain officers have designated as assistant public information officers, that is APIO, who basically act as a collection center for applicant and appeal under this act. So we'll see the procedure also. As per the provided of the act, the citizen can request for information by a single application to PIO, that is public information officer, along with prescribed application fee. The PO is expected to compile the information and inform the applicant regarding any further fee requiring the cost of providing information. Upon receipt of the same, the information has to be provided to the applicant. Okay. The information should be provided as soon as possible. Any delay beyond 30 days is treated as demand refusal of information. The PIO is liable to a penalty at the rate of 250 per day of the delay in provision of the information, subject to maximum penalty of 25,000. So the Information Commission is also empowered to grant compensation to the information seeker. So in this case, there is a example you've been applying for the application for the first 30 days. You didn't get that. Okay, 30 days into 25, 250. It is how much? 250 per day, right? 250 per day. That seeks to 7,500. It is for 1 month. So maximum you can go as 25,000 divided by 250. That is maximum of 100 days. If they didn't give the information, it will be considered penalty 25,000 maximum, 100 rupees. 100 days. The Information Commission is also empowered to grant compensation to the information seeker. The right of information is not absolute, and the Act put restriction in the respect of certain categories of information. The request for information falling within such exempted categories is to be rejected by the public information officer and giving a speaking order within the prescribed time limit. This act providing appeal against the order of PIO to the first appeal authority, who is a senior officer of the PIO, and second appealing to the senior information commission. So this, as per the section, this will go. This is the thing. That is procedure.